Once you complete this setup, your customers will be able to order directly from your social media, your Google profile, and your website. That order will arrive at your restaurant and will be received in your kitchen or on the device you use to operate. At the same time, the delivery driver will be notified through their app so they can view the order, pick it up, and deliver it to the customer. The customer pays you directly for the full amount of the order, and the customer pays the driver their delivery fee based on the distance traveled. This way, everyone participates in a more direct and fair system. You receive the full payment of your sale, the driver earns a fair amount for their delivery, and the customer avoids unnecessary extra fees. Additionally, you are no longer dependent on delivery apps that usually take a significant portion of the restaurant's profits or do not fairly compensate drivers. Now, for all of this to work correctly, there is a checklist you need to complete. Here, you will see the items that must be ready for the entire operation to work from start to finish. If you are already using Menu in your restaurant, it is possible that some of these items are already completed, and you may only need to finish a few others. This checklist does not follow a required order, but it must be fully completed. It doesn't matter in which order you complete it, what matters is that all items are done. You can move forward through this path, watch each video, and track your progress. You can even write it down to keep your own checklist. The items you need to complete are: restaurant account created, menu uploaded with correct pricing and preferably updated photos, bank account connected to receive online payments, sales links generated and connected to your social media, Google profile, and website, a tablet or iPad in the kitchen or wherever you will receive orders, and at least one delivery driver connected. Once everything is ready, you will be able to place your first test order to confirm that the entire operation is working correctly. And once you see that everything is running smoothly, you can launch and promote your online ordering directly. See you in the next video.